We recently renewed our lease. We had some TI allowance and we decided to upgrade.
We had 60 days to turn the space around. Also, we had to temporarily relocate the tenant while we made the improvements and performed their expansion.
You know, obviously construction is not what I do, so I definitely needed some kind of help to kind of guide me, help me out through the whole process.
There was a specific flooring product that they wanted incorporated into their design.
We really wanted something to have like a wow factor when you walk into the space.
We really had to educate ourselves on the product, the application process, the finishing process, to understand how that timeline affected our own overall construction timeline. We were able to take the original construction documents and value engineer that to a point where we can save them money but still give them what they were looking for as far as a finished product.
They helped restructure most of the HVAC. They helped us basically scale it back and say, let's use what's existing versus charging it up.
We were able to interface with the building and discuss with the building certain requests that the building was making and work through those requests to make sure that it wasn't adding any additional cost to Rock Island.
They've been, on our team working with us from day one and basically just kind of held my hand throughout this whole process and been a great support system, helping make some difficult decisions.
We're not just pulling from one person's experience, but the experience of multiple people within our team.
I would definitely recommend NAI Hiffman for any project needs. My experience has been great.